Hello learners, warm greetings and welcome to this course on management principles and business ethics. So in this module, we will be looking into the concept of management and the different definitions given by different management gurus. So once you take into the concept of management, we'll be hearing this particular terminology, management, in different walks of our life, right? Whether it is not only in the organization context or business context, even when you take the family, we hear a lot many things about the management, like family management or money management or stress management. So much of things are that happens in the family. We talk about the family management. When you go for a relationship with the friends or relatives, whoever it may be, then we talk about the relationship management. When you talk about the water scarcity, then we talk about water management. We talk about money management. We talk about time management. Okay, so this management terminology is much more pervasive, particularly in an organization. This management concept plays a very vital role because every organization is being established in order to achieve certain organizational objectives. Right? So whoever it may be, whether an entrepreneur, individual entrepreneur, or people are joining together, starting a company, whatever the things, they want to come with a product, they want to come with a service with which they could be able to go to the market and they want to get some profit. So this is a basic idea behind any business or anything. But if at all you want to get the success, if at all you want to get the success with more effectiveness and efficiency, management is very crucial. Right. So then what is management? That's what we are going to talk about it. And when the management will come into picture, these are things as a student we must have some understanding. So management always comes when there is an existing of a particular scarcity, right? So whenever there is a scarcity of certain things, we think of management. When you have the scarcity of water, we think about the water management. When you have the scarcity of time, we think about the time management. When you have the scarcity of money, then we think about the money management. Okay, so when we talk about this people management or resources management or production management or financial management or marketing management, HR management, these are some common terminologies that are being used in the organizational context. Then what is management? This is a thing that we wanted to have it. So many gurus, so many people, they come with different definitions. Let us look into each and every definition in much more detail. So Harold Schoons and Sir O'Donnell, they have given the definition for management is like this. So management is the creation and maintenance of an internal environment in an enterprise where individuals working together in groups efficiently accomplish selected aims. Right. So the thing is that the enterprise or the company is having its own goal where the people who are in the organization, they are working together in group and they're trying to achieve that particular goal for which they are trying to create an environment, right? So they're trying to create an environment, they're trying to create an ecosystem, and they want to maintain the ecosystem also. The system consists of different components that we'll be dealing much more in detail in the latter part of this particular course. So here the idea is it's all about, management is all about creating an ecosystem. It is creating about an environment where every resources or every people in the organization, they're trying to achieve some objectives of the organization, right? So this is what the definition given by Harold Schoons. Let us go on to the next definition given by Henry Foyle. Henry Foyle, he says that to manage is to forecast and to plan, to organize, to command, to coordinate, and to control. Again, he is also touching upon different aspects of the management. So what's management? It's all about forecasting what you are going to be, how you are going to be, and not to achieve that particular level or the vision, and what are things we are supposed to do. For that, we have to plan. And for that, we have to organize ourselves. And also, we have to direct or command the people in order to achieve that particular, or to move in that particular direction. And we have to coordinate the people, we have to coordinate the resources, and we have to check it out whether things are happening as per the planning or not, the controlling process. So that is, again, he is touching upon forecasting, planning, organizing, commanding, coordinating, and control. This is a definition given by Henry Foyle. And when we see the definition of Mary Porter Follett, she says that management is the art of getting things done through people. Very simple, right? So it's all about you have certain objective, you have certain goals, and as far as the management concerns, it is a process, it is an activity where you are trying to achieve that particular goal with the help of the people. With the help of the people, so you're making them to work towards the goal, and you are trying to achieve the objectives. That is what the dimension given by Mary Porter Follett. And when you see the definition given by Stephen Covey, again he says that management is efficiency in climbing the ladder of success. Leadership determines whether the ladder is leaning against the right wall or not. Right. So again, he says that the leader is he may be the CEO or the visionary or the MD or the founder or the entrepreneur, whoever it can be. Right. So they said that are we in the right direction? And when we are in the right direction and the ladder is put across, and management is a process where we are ensuring that the ladder is functioning well. In the sense, are we progressing in the right direction? So that is what the crux of the definition given by Stephen Covey. And we take the when you see some of the definitions given by the Indian authors, Professor Subbarao, he says that management is a process of planning, organizing, leading, and controlling the efforts of organization members and using all other organization resources to achieve stated organizational goals. Right? He talks about people and other resources. Of course, people are also, the members of the organization are also resources. We call them as a human resources. But again, apart from the human resources, it talks on the other resources also. Probably the physical resources like equipments, machineries, physical facilities, all the things talks about it, right? So what are the things he says that we have to coordinate it? You have to coordinate everything, all these resources in order to achieve the organizational goal by involving the process of planning, organizing, leading, and controlling the total efforts what the people are taking about it, right? So this is the crux of the definition given by Subbarao. And when you see the definition given by Dwivedi, he says that management is a distinct process consists of activities of planning, organizing, actuating, and controlling performed to determine and accomplish stated objectives with the use of human beings and other resources. Again, he's also touched upon two types of resources. One is the human resources, other is the other resources or physical resources, with which you are trying to achieve the organizational objectives. We are trying to accomplish the stated objectives or given objectives by involving or carrying out certain steps involved in the management process, like planning, organizing, actuating, and controlling, right? So this is the definition given by Dwivedi. And when you see the definition given by B.S. Petrov, he says that management is a process of designing and maintaining an environment. Again, he talks about an environment where the people, that is the individuals, they work together in group efficiently to accomplish the selected aims. Again, the organization objective is there. In order to achieve that, the people are working together and they are trying to achieve the objective much more efficient manner. That is using of minimal resources. This is again the definition given by B.S. Petrov, and the most comprehensive and which gives a complete picture about the management concept, the definition given by Peter Drucker. He says that management is the coordination of all resources, right? So resources, it includes everything, whether it is a human resources or money resources or material resources or whatever the things, physical facilities, whatever the thing, you are just going to coordinate. You are just ensure that everything's work in tandem, right? In coordinated way, you are trying to achieve it, and you are also involved in the process of planning, organizing, directing, and controlling so as to achieve the given objective. Okay, so to put it together in all the definition, we see all the definition, they talks on the three elements. We have a stated objectives, and in order to achieve that objective, we are making it happen through the people, and when we deal with the people, we involve with certain set of set of activities. In total, it is called as a management process. The activities includes planning, organizing, staffing, directing, and control. Probably we will have a complete picture. When you talk about the management, it's all about the achieving the organization objective with the help of the people by carrying out certain process, by carrying out certain activities like planning, organizing, staffing, directing, controlling. Okay, students. So this is what the management concept all about it. And in order to achieve the organizational success, the management concept or the management has to be more effective, more efficient, so that the organization success can be achieved much more fruitful manner, right? So thank you very much. We will see the next concept in the next class. Thank you.